Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. This is just kind of a goofy quick tip, like a shop thing. I threw a razor blade away earlier in the garbage can. I was changing the blades in my cutter. I try to keep the blades changed all the time, but this is, like I said, this is just couple of quick tips for shop tips or whatever. But I'll show you what I got going on here. So a lot of times you'll take your blades out of your razor knives and you'll throw them in the garbage. But what happens is, guys like me, I go and put gloves on, just plastic gloves, and I throw everything in the garbage cans. And then, like if our dumpster's here, I'll throw it in the dumpster. But if the dumpster's not here and we only have the small garbage bags to put everything in so we can wait for the dumpster, then what I'll do is I'll grab the garbage out of the garbage cans, and I'll be digging through there. And what'll happen is I'll whack my finger open on one of those blades. So it's just kind of a safety deal. Anytime you throw a razor blade away, if you go and take a razor blade out, like this one right here is a bad one, and I'm getting ready to throw it away, just take a piece of tape, any kind of tape. I mean, you don't have to have, yellow painter tape or nothing like that. You can use Scotch tape or electrical tape or whatever. Just tape half the blade and then come up about a ½ inch. And like I said, this is just kind of a goofy tech tip. A lot of you guys already know this trick. Making this look hard. But anyways, fold it over like that. And then that way you not only see it, but you can see where the end of the blade is right here. Now you can't cut your hand. And you're not going to poke yourself either. If you're grabbing stuff out of the garbage, or if maybe a kid or an animal gets in the garbage or something, to keep somebody from getting hurt. And then go ahead and toss it in the garbage. And then one of the other tricks that I wanted to show, Kevin, you already know this one, so keep your mouth shut, is every time you take a piece of tape off, when you rip it like this, like me, a lot of times I'm trying to, mess around trying to find where the tape is, and you get frustrated with it. Well, if you just take that tape, take your hand or your finger, every time you go to rip a piece off, and that piece that's stuck on your finger, come back a little bit and then push down on it. That way it's like that. And then next time you go to grab the tape to pull a piece off, it's nice and easy. That way you always got something to grab the tape, or that piece of tape when you go to, get a piece of tape off the roll. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Just a short, quick tech tip for the shop from Minnesota Outlaw Customs. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks a lot.